Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can give Duck AI a nickname to use in the chats and conversations with you. So let us guide you through it. So as you can see, I'm here on Duck AI. For example, you may access it via your web browser like DuckDuckGo or Google Chrome. You don't need to log in, guys. You can use Duck AI like this. So what you want to do is start a new chat by selecting new chat here on the left sidebar, or you may expand the sidebar if you don't see it, or navigate to one of your chats here. Next, click into this Customize Responses button in the bottom left corner of the text field. And here, guys, you may provide a nickname. You can use here, or you can assign a nickname also to your own account here. Click into that field and use Apply. That's one option. Of course, guys, you may ask the artificial intelligence through a custom prompt here to use, I don't know, the nickname XYZ for him or her, or for the artificial intelligence, and to address you also with a specific nickname. You can use the prompt here as well, and the artificial intelligence here on Duck AI will then apply these instructions and apply them for your future conversation here. Or option number 3, guys, you may click into that Customize Responses button again and use the method I just explained by providing these instructions and the context here. Like, for example, call me, I don't know, XYZ, and I would like you to use the nickname for yourself. Click into Apply. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.